updates that is now coming in from Punjab. As per the latest update in the Punjab grenade attack, the investigation taking place, a video of the Chandigarh attack that is being circulated, an auto driver who's been seen to be detained. And according to sources, the retired SP of Punjab Police was earlier residing in Sector 10 house, and after receiving intel inputs regarding the threats, the retired SP shifted from the house. Presently, as far as the retired principal KK Malhotra from Himachal Pradesh, who is staying in the same house where the grenade was hurled, and what is being said through reports that Pakistan-based Khalistani terrorists were suspected to be behind this grenade attack. Let's, in the meantime, continue to take a look as far as the developments are concerned in this grenade attack that has been reported. This was reported at the former Punjab police officer's home in Chandigarh, where this explosion was reported. Now, remains to be seen whether the former Punjab SP was the target or not. What was the intention? What was the motive behind this? But this was a suspected grenade attack that was reported on the house of a retired Punjab police officer in the upscale Sector 10 area of Chandigarh, which has created a lot of panic. We have Amandeep with us right now. Amandeep, who was on the target? Any bit on the information coming across as far as the investigation being concerned?
Well, Amita, the target was on a retired SP who has served during the time of terrorism in the state of Punjab, and in fact he was on the target of the Khalistanis. And during the course of investigation, it is suspected that Harvinder Singh Rinda, a Pakistani-based Khalistani terrorist, he was behind the attack, who have hired the on-ground workers to throw the grenade, just because that house was initially sold by a retired SP, and he has moved out after receiving the intelligence inputs that he is facing certain kind of threats. And in fact, in the month of January, the recce was done of that retired SP, after which he has moved out from that residence. And now the police's investigation, Punjab police has also roped in, Chandigarh police is investigating the case, and even last night NIA has also visited the spot, and the forensic team has also collected the samples of that grenade to verify that which intensity that grenade is, either low intensity or high intensity, just because the sound of the blast is indicating that it was a high intensity grenade. And now the Chandigarh police have also released the photograph of the suspects and announced a 2 lakh reward for providing the information, and also released the helpline numbers. So this is the entire investigation so far, and in fact an auto driver has also been rounded up by the police, and he has also been questioned. He revealed during his questioning that from past 2 to 3 days his auto was being hired by 2 persons, and in fact they keep on roaming around Sector 10. They keep on checking the locations, and last evening they have launched this grenade attack. So now the police is trying to verify the identity of the suspects whose photos has been released, and simultaneously the police is also recording the statement of that auto driver to know more about this. And the technical investigation has also been launched. NIA is also verifying the facts that either how the Harvinder Singh Rinda is involved into this entire case, and the Chandigarh police and Punjab police is also in a coordination for the investigation.
Right,
yes.
But as far as when it comes to questioning are also concerned, there was also the CFSL team, Amandeep, who was there at the residence to take stock of the situation where this reported grenade attack had taken place in Chandigarh.
Well, absolutely. CFSL team has collected the samples of that grenade to verify the intensity of the blast, just because according to the statements, the people who were residing, it was an old age couple who was residing in that house, and they have revealed that the sound of blast was so high, they were very much scared. The window panes of the house was broken, and there was a pit where the grenade was lobbed, and the pit was also indicating that it was a high intensity blast, and that attack was to kill the person who was residing inside that house. And even the retired principals from Himachal Pradesh, they were residing inside that house, but they were not the specific target of the attackers. Target was somebody else, that is a retired SP of Punjab Police. So now technical investigation launched by CFSL, and even the Punjab Police and Chandigarh Police has also launched the investigation to verify the role of the attackers either the Khalistani link or the gangster link into this, and the NIA has also roped in. They have visited the spot and they have also checked that either is a cross-border angle has been established in this attack. So everything has been put in place, and the kind of information we are receiving from our sources is that retired SP was on the target just because he was very much active during the time of terrorism, and that is the reason the Khalistanis are issued the threats earlier and now attacked, and Reiki was done in the month
well,
of
the probe
January.
that has been escalating as far as who were these individuals who were involved, what was the intention, what was the motive, and of course, when it comes to the investigation that is now being carried out by the top agencies. Amandeep, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in, not just in